Pesticides are useful tools, but can pose risks to human health and the environment. Federal and state regulations have been established to mitigate these risks as well as empower individuals with the right to know what they may be exposed to by others. Whether you are a distributor, commercial pesticide applicator, farmer or grower, or a homeowner treating your lawn, you have responsibilities under the law when applying pesticides. While many pesticides are available for sale on the internet, this does not mean they are approved for use in the state of Maine or can be used without a license. Before purchasing pesticides online, check the product's registration status on the BPC website at thinkfirstspraylast.org or by following our link to the National Pesticide Information Retrieval System database. Be sure to read the label prior to buying your pesticide to make sure it is labeled for the appropriate site, target pest, and that it does not require a special license to use. Even if you are not required to be licensed, it is your responsibility to follow the directions on the label. The label is the law. Using a pesticide in a way not outlined in the directions is not only illegal, it can be a risk to your health and the environment. For more information on understanding pesticide labels, see our Label Explainer video. General use pesticides are available to the public for home and property treatment without a license, as well as licensed agricultural basic applicators. Restricted use pesticides can be used only by licensed individuals, including private applicators and commercial applicators. There are different types of pesticide licensure. Agricultural basic licenses are for growers that sell more than $1,000 of plants or plant products intended for human consumption annually and use only general use or over-the-counter pesticides on property owned or leased by them. Private applicator licenses are for those that purchase and use restricted use as well as general use pesticides in the production of agricultural commodities on property owned or leased by them. Commercial applicator licenses are necessary for applying pesticides to sites open to the public or using pesticides for compensation, a for-hire basis. All of these licensure categories apply to organic, natural, or conventional pesticide products. The BPC defines two levels of commercial license: operator and master. The Commercial Applicator Operator Certification is the minimum license requirement for individuals employed as technicians under supervision of a licensed master applicator. The operator's license is in effect only if the employing company or organization has at least one licensed master applicator. For more information on obtaining a license, see our video on professional regulatory requirements. Always follow the law. While licensed pesticide applicators are the professionals with the most expertise, it is important to work with properly licensed hired professionals as an informed consumer of what is used on your property and associated risks. Misapplying pesticides can come with hefty consequences when they are used in a way that jeopardizes human and environmental health. For example, in Maine, drift is a serious concern. Provisions in BPC rules ensure that there are strict drift rules in place. A pesticide residue found to have drifted off of the original target site is a violation. You can always ask your hired pesticide applicator for details of their work, including a copy of the label, a safety data sheet, and their best management practices. A list of licensed spray contracting firms for hire is available on our website. For detailed federal regulations, see the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act, and check with your local municipality to see if additional regulations exist. In Maine, as a member of the public, you have the right to know about pesticides being sprayed in your area, but it is your responsibility to request notification. There are two types of notification. A request for notification is a comprehensive option initiated by you, simply asking the abutting property owner for notification and information regarding pesticide applications prior to application. The request may be made in any fashion, as long as it's clear what you're asking and how to reach you. The timing of this notification must be agreed upon by both parties. Once the neighbor or landowner receives your request for notification, you can expect to be informed. If you have issues with pesticide notification or think notification hasn't been made properly, you can file a complaint with the BPC. The Maine Pesticide Notification Registry is a more formal notification option that requires a longer lead time to participate. The purpose of this registry is to maintain a list of individuals who must be notified of outdoor, non-agricultural pesticide applications in their vicinity. This registry best serves urban and suburban residents who seek a more formal notification process for outdoor pesticide applications made by commercial applicators. Applications for the notification registry can be made through email or online. If you have additional questions about your rights and responsibilities, you can reach out to us at 207-287-2731. We thank you for joining us in caring for this great state by managing pests responsibly.